Hi. Hello everyone. When we decided that our daughter will appear for NEET and work towards pursuing MBBS course, it was completely new for us because there was no one in the distant family also who has done this or gone through this, and it was completely new. And the different admission processes, the complexity involved in the admission process had thrown a lot of challenges in terms of I was really worried how will we cope up, how will we understand, and the biggest worry was if I do a mistake it will have a direct impact on the aspirations of our child. And when I was googling, I came across few of the videos of MBBS Council and I tried for that, and it has really helped me in terms of understanding the different complexities, the nuances of the admission process, and the MBBS Council counselors has guided me well in terms of what is it is important that the complexity, the sequences, and the sequences in terms of the various stages of the admission process, the counseling rounds, etc., makes you uh, difficult in terms of managing those. And MBBS Council really guides us well through the entire journey of the admission process, the various complexities in terms of deemed university, different rules, state counseling, different rules, AIQ, government colleges having different rules, really throws up a lot of challenges. And in this journey, it will be always better to have someone who really holds your hands and take you through this journey. Yeah, and really thankful to MBBS Council for taking me through and helping me in terms of what is right for me, timely guidance in terms of what is good for you, what is not good for you, and depending on your situation in terms of the financial strength, in terms of the reservations, etc., they guide you very well. So I will always recommend that you need to have someone who can guide you on the part where the MBBS Council can add more value, whatever they are done, and basically they can further step up. Is that the the parent who is going through this is really worried because while as a professionals for all of you in the MBBS council it becomes part and parcel of your life, but the person at the other end is like a relative of a patient, right? Because why I'm giving that example is it is like a do or die situation for the for us in terms of whether and the entire career of our child is at the stake. So maybe if the council can reduce the pressure on the counselors a little bit so that they can give enough time to the parents, especially during the crunch time of the admission where all the rounds of the admissions are on and there is a too much of confusion in terms of what needs to be done exactly. Really at the outset would like to thank MBBS Council for all the support they have given, and I will recommend all the parents to have such a guide during your journey. Thank you so much.